Welcome to my channel. Few gadgets. Please subscribed. Compact and stylish. This space-saving, small refrigerator, 17.5 by 18.5 inches by 19.7, stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy, 70 watts, and without taking up too much space. The sleek, modern design, available in black, stainless steel, and white, is perfect for college, dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars, small apartments, and RV campers. Large capacity, the removable glass shelf expands the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Additional door storage. Fits 2 cans, like soda and beer, or small containers, on the top shelf, and liter or taller bottles and containers, like water, wine and milk, on the bottom shelf. Convenient features: a reversible door, leveling legs, and adjustable temperature control, 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit at the lowest setting, make this mini fridge even more practical. The small freezer, 8 inches wide by 2 inches tall, fits ice packs, most frozen dinners, and the included ice tray. Ultra-quiet, low-sound operation, is perfect for places where you don't want a noisy appliance. Waiting rooms, TV and game rooms, and even baby rooms where you can store milk for easy feeding. 1-year warranty. 1-year warranty for parts and labor, and 2-year warranty for compressor part. Dimensions: 20.09 inches d, including handles, 16.92 inches depth. Less door height to top of door hinge, 33 inches, 19.09 inches w. 2-door configuration, top door for freezer and bottom door for fridge. Adjustable thermostat and compressor cooling for ultimate performance even in hot weather. Space-saving, flushback design. Crisper drawer is ideal for preserving greens. Reversible door accommodates right or left-handed use. Built-in can, dispenser and door basket for 2-liter bottles, 3.2 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Stainless steel, space-saving storage, 120 standard 12 ounces. Cans. 5 slide-out, adjustable wire, shelves, top shelf, 15 can capacity, second shelf, 15 can capacity, third shelf, 15 can capacity.